Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. God will tell you wobble. Thankful for you guys today. No sleep for the weary. I don't know. I get too excited. I don't know. This time of year with company coming, family being in and all that. So I just, instead of tossing and turning, I just decided to get on up and get her done. So I'm going to turn this camera around to show y'all what I'm doing. Excuse me. I'm browning the counter sausage that I'll drain off and put into this crock pot with 1 8-ounce cream cheese, a huge block of velvety, a little bit of milk, 1 can of Rotel tomatoes, and that's going to be a dip for later tonight for the boys and the girls that come. Hey Steph, you're already up, girl. But I did want to show y'all this. Y'all know when we talk about recipes and all that good stuff, and I say it's boom, this, y'all, is so boom that I had it next to my eggs this morning because it smelled so good. This is the cream corn in the crock pot that Sydney made. Shut the front door. It'll make you slap your turkey today. I'm just saying. That has cooked on low. For about 3, no, it's not, that's not right. It was on high from about 3:30 to 4:30, and then I cut it down to low, and it's 6 a.m. now, and now I've cut it down to 1. So that's what I'm getting ready this morning. And the next thing is sweet potatoes. The sweet potato casserole's got to go in the oven about 10 o'clock, and I think that's all that I'm taking. Anyway, so happy Thanksgiving. What? Dressing already? Yes, Joe, I had to get on up. Yes, I like being the first one up, and I like being the last one to bed. I just get so much done. Perspective, nobody's talking to me, nobody's asking me to do anything. So yeah, early bird catches the worm, for sure. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that, especially the corn. It's awesome. And I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. And I hope you stay too blessed to be stressed and too annoying to be disappointed. I know Jennifer pooped already. Look, get you some coffee, girl. Get you some coffee. Oh, breakfast casserole sounds delicious, Rachel. I may make one of those tonight and put in the fridge tomorrow. Oh, thank you, Lisa. I actually did my makeup in the den, and I even ran the flat iron through my hair too in the den. I know that's a little bit crazy, but whatever works, right? I sat on the heating pad the whole time. And I've managed to not wake anyone up yet. Which is good. I tend to get loud. Not loud talking, but just loud like slamming drawers and stuff. And you know, it never fails if you're trying to be quiet, tiptoe around. Never fails. Something falls and breaks. I'm just saying. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. I think everybody's getting their kitchens cranked up for the holiday rush. And I want to be ready. So when it's time for me to collapse later, I can just collapse and not have to worry about it. You know what I'm saying? So I have my pies done. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Have the pies. I have a frozen. I didn't make it apple pie. That's the favorite son's favorite. I have this sheepfly pie, which the Yankee Pennsylvania cousins are going to eat. I have a 1.5 of chocolate chess pie that Julia did, and then I have some Max cookies, and I have a Boston in the oven that I had frozen, and I thawed it overnight. It's a big piece of meat. Let me show y'all that, and then I'll hop off. So if anybody in your community ever says for a fundraiser, they are awesome to have in a pinch where you need to feed a lot of people, because you can chop it up as barbecue, but you freeze it, it'll stay frozen and fresh up to 6 months if you wrap it good with tinfoil. like right off the grill, wrap it up good. Anyway, and then I thought it, and I literally put it on that Polydine cookie sheet and in the oven on 325, and it'll take about 3 hours. And when you start to smell it, that's when it's done. It's already been cooked, of course. So if you have a chance to buy one of those, some local fire departments do it. Our ball teams do it around here. So anyway, I'm eating out my pie. I know, right, Linda? Anyway, happy Thanksgiving. I am gonna, yeah, I'm gonna go sit back down on the heating pad and wait for the other claps to get up. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Stay blessed today, y'all.